So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add a particular theme to a particular Google Keep Note file. If you don't know, Google Keep Notes is a very convenient tool in which you can write notes and share it with someone, and you can write the notes with adding some images as well. So via giving them a particular theme, or you can say a particular color code, they will be easily accessed and identified. If you are using multiple notes over there, you can easily identify the notes just by giving them themes, so that you don't need to open and read the note. Just by the theme of that color, or the color, you can identify the note. So in order to add the theme on your Google Keep Note, I'm just opening the Google Keep Note website on my Google Chrome. You can do the same process on your smartphone application as well. Like, I open the Google Keep Note, you can see just right there. When I open Google Keep Notes, you can see the note has been opened with a basic interface right there. Now for example, if I want to change the theme of this note, you can see when I click on this, the window has been expanded, and here at the lower options you will see an option of background options. Just simply click on this, and now when you click there, you can see the various colors are available for you if you want to change them. For example, red, yellow, or the green, you can set any of them, or either you can select any images as well, so it could be easier for you to identify them. You can see if I set this and this and update it, you can see the note has been changed. So it will be easy for me to identify a particular note in my all notes file, and if you have a lot of notes, you can easily identify it. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.